Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Form 8959 Additional Medicare Tax. Form 8959 used to figure the amount of additional Medicare tax you owe and the amount of additional Medicare tax withheld by your employer, if any. Who must file 8959? The taxpayer applies to wages from employment, self-employment income, railroad retirement income. But if you are receiving W-2 wages income, the tax will most likely be withheld from your wages. Either way, anyone subject to tax is required to file Form 8959 with their annual income tax filing. The Form 8959 is the additional Medicare tax form. It is an additional 0.9% Medicare Part A tax on combined W-2 and self-employment wages in excess of the above stated threshold. For the taxpayer 2020, for example, if you are married filing jointly, the tax only applies to income exceeds $250,000 in combined earnings. On the other hand, if you are filing MFS, you could end up owing more tax because the threshold is only $125,000, and for single head of household and qualifying widow or widower $200,000. This form consists of 5 parts. This is a single page form, and part 1 for additional Medicare tax on Medicare wages, part 2 additional Medicare tax on self-employment income, part 3 additional Medicare tax on Railroad Retirement Tax Act RRTA compensation, part 4 total additional Medicare tax, part 5 withholding reconciliation. So basically each part includes a short calculation to figure out how much additional Medicare tax you owe, if any. You complete only part of the form that applies to the type of the income you received. Fill out part 1 if you receive W-2 wages. You can see in the part 1 line number 1 Medicare wages and tips from form W-2 box 5. If you have more than one form W-2, enter the total of the amounts from box 5. Line 2 unreported tips from form 4137, wages from form 8919. So you have to whatever comes in line 1 2 3, you have to add them and it should come to line number 4. Now enter the following amount for your filing status, and you have to subtract that amount from line number 5 to 4, then it should come flow to line number 6, and that amount, on that amount 0.9% will be calculated, 0.9% will be calculated, and it comes to line number 7 as additional Medicare tax. Now coming to part 2 additional Medicare tax for self-employment income. If you receive self-employment income, then you have to report here the part 2 part. You can see line number 8 self-employment income from schedule AC form 1040 part 1 line 6. If you had a loss, enter 0 from 1040 PR or something, and it should come to line number 8. Now coming to line number 9, enter the following amount for your filing status. Enter the amount from line 4. You have to enter that amount line 4 to line 10. Then you have to subtract line 10 from line 10 to line 9. And in this way you can also get the line 12 amount, and here you have to multiply line 12 by 0.09%. Now if you receive RRTA or Railroad Retirement Tax Act tax income, then you have to fill out part 3 Railroad Retirement Compensation and Tips from W-2 box 14. You have to report box 14 amount here. You have to enter the following amount for your filing status. Subtract line 15 to 14. Then calculate the additional Medicare tax on RRTA. If you had more than one type of income, such as W-2 income, self-employment income, you have to complete all the sections that apply. Once you complete Form 8959 and figure the additional Medicare tax you are responsible for, the final section of the form subtracts the tax you paid through withhold and the estimated tax payment to determine if there is any additional Medicare tax due, which ultimately gets reported on your 1040 tax return. Remember, the software will handle all of the calculation and fill in all the right forms for you. Now, adjustment for the future year. If you find that you owe additional Medicare tax when you file your annual return, for example, if you work more than one job or have self-employment income in addition to W2 income, you should arrange to pay more than in the following year. You can do it by making estimated tax payments or by requesting that your employer take extra withheld from your pay. If you paid too much based on your filing status, or employer cannot stop withholding your additional Medicare taxes. However, overpayments are applied against the tax owed on your annual income tax filing and could lead to a refund. So this is all about Form 8959. Now we will discuss it in our software so that we have a better idea how it works in real. Huh? Hi, this is Drake. Now I am typing 8959. You can see Form 8959 additional Medicare tax. You have to choose taxpayer, spouse or joint. Now for which purpose you are going to report additional Medicare taxes. Is it for railroad retirement compensation and tips, additional Medicare tax withhold on railway board retirement and compensation or not, additional Medicare tax from W2 box 5. See, if you report $700, you can see Form 8959 additional Medicare tax form is flowing. Now coming to a form 1 by 1 section. Part 1 additional Medicare tax. Additional Medicare tax on Medicare wages. Here everything is done for part 1 to 3. Now coming to part 5 withholding reconciliation. Here you can see that in line 21 $725 has already been withheld from, you can see, from the W2 wages. $725 Medicare tax withheld, but the additional $700 is from another W2 and which is showing there Medicare tax withheld from W2 box 6. That's why it is showing there. You can see 725 and 700. Subtract line 21 from 19, because total is showing 1425 minus 725, it comes to 700, and total additional medical tax withholding comes to $700. Now coming to form 1040 withheld, you can see $700. Other forms, federal income tax withheld from other forms, $700. So in this way it is calculated in the software. See. So guys, I'm just repeating what I've discussed so far. So basically form 8959 is used to figure out the amount of additional Medicare taxes you owe and the amount of additional Medicare tax withheld by your employer, if any, who must file 8959. The taxpayer applies to wages from employment, self-employment income and the railroad retirement income. But if you are receiving W2 wages in income, the tax will most likely to be withheld from your wages. Either way, anyone subject to tax is required to file Form 8959 with their annual income tax filing. The Form 8959 is the additional Medicare tax form. It is an additional 0.9% Medicare Part A tax on combined W2 and self-employment taxes in excess of the above stated threshold for the tax year 2020. For example, if you are MFJ, the tax only applies to the income exceeds $250,000 in combined earning. On the other hand, if you are MFS, you could end up owing more taxes because the threshold is only $125,000 and it is for $200,000 for single head of household and qualified widow or widower. This is a single page form, and this form consists of 5 parts. You can see in the part 1 additional Medicare tax on Medicare wages, additional Medicare tax on self-employment income, part 3 additional Medicare tax on Railroad Retirement Tax Act RRTA compensation, part 4 a total additional Medicare tax, part 5 withholding reconciliation. Each part includes a short calculation to figure out how much additional Medicare tax you owe, if any. You complete only the part of the form that applies to the type of income you received. If you receive W2, then you have to fill out part 1. If you receive self-employment income, you have to fill out part 2. Part 3 if you receive RRTA income. Then the total of the line 7, 13 and 17 comes to line 18. This is for part 4 total additional Medicare tax. Now coming to part 5 withholding reconciliation. If there is any other extra withholding of Medicare taxes in the box 6 of W2, then you have to report that here in our software deck here. Then it will flow to part 5 of the form 8959. Here you can see if you had more than one type of income, if you have more than one type of income and such as W2 income, self-employment income, you will have to complete all the sections that apply. If you complete form 8959, figure out the additional Medicare tax you are responsible for. The final section of the form subtract the tax you paid through withholding and the estimated tax payment to the determine if you owe any additional Medicare taxes, which ultimately gets reported on your 1040 tax return. Remember, software will handle all of these calculations. Fill in all the right forms for you. No adjustment for future year. If you find that you owe additional Medicare tax when you file your annual income tax return. For example, if you work more than one job or have self-employment income in addition to W2 income, you should arrange to pay more in the following year. You can do it by making estimated tax payment or by requesting your employer take extra withheld from your pay. If you pay too much based on your filing status, your employer cannot stop withholding your additional Medicare tax. However, overpayment are applied against the tax owed on your annual income tax filing could lead to a refund. So guys, I hope you have understood. Goodbye.